So hello viewers, welcome back to our channel once again. Here we come again with a very amazing video, your craft on glass bottles. In this video we will share with you a beautiful design ideas of jute crafts. Here are some beautiful design ideas you can try. Festive bottles wrap with the jute and decorate with the holly leaves. Christmas ornaments of ribbons, especially on a upcoming Christmas event. Place a fairy light inside jute wrap. Bottles for warm lights you can use as a lantern. Use different wrapping style, spirals, knots or braids for variety. You can use wall decoration. Attach several decorated bottles on a wooden planks to create rustic wall art. Combine jute bottle with the pine cones, flowers or seashells for them table decoration. Jute craft with the recycled bottle is more than just a DIY project. It's about embracing sustainability, unlocking creativity, and enjoy the calming process of handmade craft. So next time you see an empty bottle, don't throw it away. Wrap it in jute, decorate it with love, and watch it transform into something truly beautiful. Jute craft and golden fiber is one of the most versatile and eco-friendly materials in the world. When combined with recycling everything bottles, it creates stunning and budget-friendly and sustainable home decoration. In this video we will talk about the benefits of jute crafts, the creative possibilities with recycled bottles, and how crafting help in mindfulness, sustainability, and even small business opportunities. You can try a small business online and local markets. Just craft with the art of using natural jute fibers or ropes to design beautiful and functional items. The natural texture of jute gives any craft project or rustic and earthy charms. It blends well with wood, glass, and even fabric. When we use jute for wrapping bottles, glass bottles, making candle holders, or designer wall hanging, we are not only create stunning decoration but also embrace a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Empty bottles often end up in the trash, creating unnecessary waste, but with a little imagination and jute wrap, these bottles can be transformed into elegant decoration style. Wrap a wine bottle completely in the jute and decorate it with bows or beads to create a rustic vase. Cover a jar with a jute rope and add candle inside for a lovely and cozy lantern effects. Decoration of glass bottles with juice and second ornaments for festive centerpiece. This not only reduce waste but also give a second life in something that might have been thrown away. So if you like our videos, so please must subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends and family.